Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chemophilic by Bhavna Shatad. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. So this video is basically on types of chemical reactions. Now there are various kinds of chemical reaction. The first reaction is combination reaction. Then we have decomposition reaction. Then we have displacement reaction. Then we have double displacement reaction. Then we have oxidation reduction reaction, also known as redox reactions. Technically, these are 5 kinds of reactions. First is combination reaction, where two molecules combine. We'll study this in detail. Next is decomposition, then displacement, double displacement, and oxidation and reduction reaction. Now studying each of this reaction in detail. The first one is combination reaction. For a combination reaction, when two elements or molecules combine together to give a product, then it is known as combination reaction. For example, you can take carbon combines with oxygen to give CO2. This is carbon dioxide. This is an example of combination reaction. Again, formation of water from H2 and O2. Again, two molecules of H2 and O2 are combined together to give H2O. This will be this is balanced equation. So again, this is what a combination reaction. If you take another example, like CaO reacts with water. So what is CaO? It is also known as quicklime. So it combines with water to give calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Again, this is a combination reaction. Next is decomposition reaction. Now by decomposition reaction, you mean when a molecule decomposes into its constituent elements or constituent parts, then it is known as decomposition reaction. Example is, if you take say calcium carbonate, then in the presence of heat it would decompose into calcium oxide and CO2. This is an example of decomposition where one molecule breaks down into two constituent. Now we have AgCl. This AgCl again breaks down into its constituents Ag and Cl2. To balance this equation, you have 2 Cl here, you'll have to put a 2 here, and then 2 Ag, you'll have to balance 2 here. This is again an example of decomposition reaction. Now you have another example of lead nitrate. PbNO3 whole twice. This again in the presence of heat decompose into PbO plus O2 plus NO2. Again, this is getting decomposed. One of the element is getting decomposed into its constituents. Next type of reaction is displacement reaction. Now for displacement and double displacement reaction, you must know these are almost similar kind of reactions. The only difference is that in case of displacement, if you have like Fe plus CuSO4, it would give FeSO4 plus Cu, that is copper metal is displaced by Fe. Now in the second kind of reaction, you have Na2SO4. This reacts with barium chloride to give BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. So again these are two metals and they are interchanged, or you can say they are displaced from their constituent anions to form two new compounds. So this is an example of the double displacement, this is the example of displacement reaction. Now the last kind of reaction is the reduction and oxidation reaction. Now what is the difference? So in case of reduction reaction you have addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. In case of oxidation you have addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. So if you study an example, say copper reacts with O2, it gives CuO. So this is addition of oxygen, so this is an oxidation reaction. For example of reduction, you have CuO with decompose with H2 to give Cu plus H2O.